We'll guide you through how to fix one AirPod not working. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a really annoying problem as you then can only hear from one of them. So let's get started with fixing this. First of all, go and close the case and then reopen it. Make sure they're both in there. Go and double tap on the light like so. Then you can double tap it again. Then you can do it again. You'll hear it beep 3 times and it'll start flashing orange. Go and wait, and then it should go and be reset. Then what you can do is try reconnecting them to your device and go and see if the problem is solved. If it is, then great. If it still isn't, then what you want to do is place both AirPods in the case, and what you want to do is go and grab its charger and just go and let it charge for 10 to 20 minutes. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it still doesn't, then come onto your device again and come into your settings, find your AirPods, and then you should be able to go and see them at the top. If you're seeing only one is charged, then what you want to do is make sure the case is all clear. It's likely the AirPod that isn't working hasn't got any charge, perhaps there's some debris or dust in there on the contacts which is causing this. So what you can do is go and blow into it to go and remove any, or you can go and use a soft brush to go and clear them and remove anything which could be preventing it. After you've done that, you need to go and put them back in there and let them charge for 10 to 20 minutes, and hopefully that solves the problem.